Hey guys, Curtis Kelley here at CAPOVW. What I want to show you is a 2018 Tiguan SEL Premium. Beautiful car. This is the RLine edition. RLine badging, wheels, and accents. This car is white. It's going to have a leather interior. It's got a beautiful storm gray leather interior right here for you to see. This car is going to have an upgraded sound system, which is going to be fender, navigation, and it also will have park assist. Here's the rear of the car. Now this is an SEL front-wheel drive. And in all front-wheel drive Tiguans, you're going to have the third row. This is what it looks like when the third row is folded down. But here, so I can switch hands. Oops, sorry about the finger. And we can pull this one up, this seat up. It's kind of hard to see. I'm going to do it from the front instead. It's going to have a power closing rear. It's going to have hands-free entry also on the rear lid here. Has accent lights. I don't know if you can see those. But there they are. There. Puddle lights, I should say. Sorry. This is what the passenger side will look like. Nice large screen for you. And I'm sorry, I said the car had park assist. It has parking monitoring. A beeper system, of course, and it's going to have the panoramic sunroof. Just give you an idea. The power close curtain. So this car is here at CAPOVW. It is a beautiful car for you to come out and take a look at. So give me a call, Curtis, at 949-307-7662. It's going to have bi-xenon headlights and parking lights. Thanks for watching my video.